beggar climbs to the rooftop edge, holding cash against his chest. A preacher screams that God will save, while standing knee-deep in the waves. A mother pulls a child through mud, a thief wipes blood into the flood, and all the names we used to wear wash away like they were never there. No more crowns, no more flags, no more lies big enough to last. There are no saints in the flood, no clean hands when the water comes, no pure souls rising above, just terrified hearts trying not to drown. And when the sky finally breaks and the earth forgets the shape of us, we all sink together in the end. No saints in the flood. Rich man trades his watch for bread, a soldier shakes beside the dead. A woman who spent her life ashamed finally stops hiding her face. And somewhere in the freezing rain, enemies stand beneath the same pain. No heaven opened in the storm, just human beings stripped to the core. When everything falls, who do we become? No one at all. Maybe that's the cruelest truth. Not that the world will end someday, but that disaster is the only thing that finally makes us look the same.
There are no saints in the flood,
no chosen few,
no favored blood,
only flesh,
only fear,
only voices disappearing in the dark. And when the last light goes out above, the water won't remember any of us.
No saints
in the flood. No saints, no saints,
no saints
in the flood.